Overview of organic paddy farming. Organic paddy farming is a sustainable and eco-friendly approach to cultivating rice without the use of synthetic chemicals, genetically modified organisms, or harmful pesticides. It focuses on maintaining soil health, promoting biodiversity, and ensuring the long-term sustainability of rice cultivation. Organic paddy farming emphasizes the use of natural inputs, crop rotations, and integrated pest management techniques to enhance the overall health and productivity of the rice crop while preserving the environment. Suitable varieties for organic paddy farming. Choosing the right rice varieties is crucial for successful organic paddy farming. Indigenous and traditional rice varieties are often more adapted to local conditions and have better resilience to pests and diseases. Some suitable rice varieties for organic paddy farming in South India include Sonu Masuri, a popular variety known for its medium grain texture and excellent cooking quality. It adapts well to various growing conditions and is suitable for organic cultivation. Navara, an indigenous rice variety with medicinal properties and high nutritional value. It exhibits resilience to pests and diseases, making it ideal for organic farming. Mata rice Kerala red rice. This traditional rice variety from Kerala has a unique reddish-brown color and nutty flavor. It is known for its resilience to pests and diseases, making it suitable for organic cultivation. BPT 5204 BPT Kalarata, a high-yielding and disease-resistant variety, well-suited for organic paddy farming. Kishili Samba, an aromatic, short-grain rice variety preferred in Tamil Nadu for its taste and adaptability to organic farming practices. Introduction to Khuba products for organic paddy farming. Khuba soil conditioner. Ingredients and constituents. Khuba soil conditioner is an organic mineral-based fertilizer designed for root delivery. It contains essential macro and micronutrients such as phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, humic acid, organic carbon, silicon, boron, manganese, iron, copper, amino acids, fulvic acid, sulfur, and many other trace elements. It also includes nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium bacteria. Suitability for organic paddy growing. Khuba soil conditioner is highly beneficial for organic paddy farming. Its mineral composition provides essential nutrients required for healthy rice plant growth. It improves soil health, enhances water retention capacity, and promotes vigorous plant growth and increased yield. The sustained release of nutrients ensures a steady supply without harmful chemical residues. Quality attributes. Khuba soil conditioner enhances the overall health and vigor of paddy plants, making them more resilient to insect infestations and diseases. It ensures a well-balanced mineral profile in the soil, leading to nutrient-rich and high-quality rice grains. The hygroscopic nature of the conditioner maintains a cool environment and dynamic water supply to the plants. Khuba Soil Booster. Ingredients and constituents. Khuba Soil Booster is a natural and organic soil amendment product. It contains a unique blend of neem azadiracta indica seed, organic carbon, bioagents like trichoderma, humic acid, amino acids, and seaweed extracts. Suitability for organic paddy growing. Khuba Soil Booster is well suited for organic paddy cultivation. The natural ingredients enhance microbial activity, safeguard seeds, promote root growth, and improve nutrient uptake. The presence of neem deters pests, providing an eco-friendly alternative to chemical insecticides. Quality attributes. Khuba Soil Booster improves soil fertility and structure, leading to healthier and more resilient paddy plants. It aids in early seedling establishment and supports vigorous vegetative growth, resulting in better flowering, increased yield weight, and improved grain quality. Khuba Growth Promoter. Ingredients and constituents. Khuba Growth Promoter is a water-soluble plant growth-promoting product. It contains a blend of seaweed extract, humic acid, and amino acids, including various essential amino acids. Suitability for organic paddy growing. Khuba Growth Promoter is suitable for organic paddy farming. Its water-soluble nature allows easy application and absorption by rice plants, promoting healthy growth and enhanced flowering. Quality attributes. Khuba growth promoter enhances plant growth, improves soil quality, and boosts the overall health of paddy plants. The amino acids and other beneficial components support increased flowering and yield quality. Regular use of this product leads to higher productivity and better crop resilience. Natural horticulture oil. Natural horticulture oil is specifically designed for farmers who embrace organic farming methods and seek to safeguard their crops through preventive care. Ingredients and constituents. Natural horticulture oil is derived from natural plant sources and contains various active constituents with insecticidal, antifungal, and herbicidal properties. It includes azadirachtin, citral, citronellol, linalool, geranyl acetate, linalool acetate, menthol, menthone, geranyl, alpha-pinene, limonene, beta-ocimene, terpenoline, alpha-terpineol, and methylheptanone. Suitability for organic paddy growing. Natural horticulture oil is highly suitable for organic paddy farming as it provides an eco-friendly and non-toxic alternative to chemical insecticides and pesticides. It helps control harmful pests and diseases without compromising the health of the environment or human health. Quality attributes. Natural horticulture oil acts as a preventive care measure in organic paddy farming, proactively protecting paddy plants from potential threats, such as insect infestations and fungal diseases. It also acts as a barrier to water evaporation, protecting the plants from excess heat, ensuring optimal growth and development. Conclusion. By adopting organic paddy farming practices and incorporating Khuba products, such as Khuba soil conditioner, Khuba soil booster, Khuba growth promoter, and natural horticulture oil, farmers in South India can achieve sustainable and environmentally friendly rice cultivation. These products provide essential nutrients, promote soil health, enhance plant growth, and protect paddy plants from pests and diseases. With the use of suitable rice varieties and natural inputs, organic paddy farmers can achieve healthier and more productive crops, yielding nutritious and high-quality rice grains, while contributing to the preservation of the environment and biodiversity. We have provided further information on the following subjects for the benefit of farmers: seeding and nursery of paddy, transplantation and spacing, boosting nutrient availability, plant growth, and aroma content, enhancing paddy production, organic pest control for paddy farming, companion plants, and harmonious ecosystems with fish integration, promoting disease resistance in paddy farming, and disease-preventing companion plants. Climatic variations, crop rotation, nitrogen fixing, promoting biodiversity and enriching soil. List of invasive plants in paddy farming and its prevention. Recommended minimum application of Khuba products. Follow these simple guidelines to witness remarkable results. Seeding and nursery preparation per plot of 100 square feet. 15 to 20 days before seeding, use minimum 3 kg of Khuba soil conditioner and 300 grams of Khuba soil booster. Khuba soil conditioner is available in either powder or granular form. For optimal results, apply a minimum of 12 bags or more, as desired, during land preparation, approximately 2 to 3 weeks before transplantation. Khuba soil booster. 1. During sowing, apply 1 bag of Khuba soil booster per acre. 2. 60 days after sowing, apply 1 bag of Khuba soil booster per acre. Khuba growth promoter and natural horticulture oil. 1. 12 days before flowering, spray 250 grams of Khuba growth promoter and 1 liter of natural horticulture oil. 2. 10 days after flowering, spray 250 grams of Khuba growth promoter and 1 liter of natural horticulture oil. 3. Thereafter, with an interval of 6 days, spray a minimum of 4 times with 250 grams of Khuba growth promoter. Farmers have the flexibility to alternate between spraying and drenching, tailoring the application to their specific needs and preferences, depending on local conditions. Furthermore, we recommend incorporating cow-based products such as Jivamruth and Gokrapamruth to further enhance the soil health. These products, derived from cow dung and cow urine, contain beneficial microorganisms and nutrients that contribute to the overall fertility and vitality of the soil. Applying Jeevamruth and Gokrapamruth as organic fertilizers can improve soil structure, nutrient availability, and microbial activity, ultimately benefiting the growth and development. We also recommend utilizing the uncultivated period by seeding your farms with various monocot, dicot, and oil seeds. You can sow 3 kilograms of each type of seed and an additional 5 kilograms of various different seeds. Allow these plants to grow and then mulch them back into the soil between the 45th and 50th day, before flowering. This practice provides diversity and natural green manure to your farms, enriching the soil and promoting overall soil health. It also deters invasive plants, controls insect populations, and helps avoid disease. By incorporating diverse plant species during the uncultivated period and utilizing cow-based products like Jeevamruth and Gokrapamruth, farmers can enhance soil fertility, promote biodiversity, and foster sustainable farming practices. These practices contribute to healthier crops and improved overall farm productivity. Prices: Khuba soil conditioner, organic fertilizer, powder form, 50 kg bag, priced at Rs 1,000. Granular form, 50 kg bag, priced at Rs 1,200. Khuba soil booster, 5 kg bag, price Rs 750. Growth promoter, 500 grams pack, price Rs 550. Natural horticulture oil, 1 liter bottle, price Rs 900. These prices include transportation charges anywhere in Karnataka, that is to your nearest Vijay Anand Road Lines branch or Tilar dealer's stock point. Note, the prices are indicative and may change anytime. Hence, buyers are requested to confirm prices at the time of purchase. Farmers from other states may kindly contact us. Seeding and nursery of paddy in organic way, utilizing Khuba products for optimal growth and yield. Seeding and nursery preparation are crucial steps in organic paddy farming. A well-prepared nursery ensures healthy seedlings, robust root systems, and vigorous growth, setting the foundation for a successful paddy crop. By incorporating Khuba products into the nursery process, farmers can enhance seed germination, improve nutrient uptake, and promote overall plant health, leading to higher yields and better quality rice grains. Step 1. Seed selection and pre-treatment. Selecting high-quality seeds from suitable rice varieties is essential for successful organic paddy cultivation. Seeds should be sourced from reliable sources, preferably organic or traditional seed banks. Before sowing, seeds can undergo pre-treatment to enhance germination rates. This can include soaking the seeds in water for 24 hours to kickstart the germination process. Step 2. Seedbed preparation. Prepare the seedbed by tilling the soil and removing any weeds or debris. The soil should be well drained and enriched with organic matter. Avoid using synthetic fertilizers or pesticides as they can hinder the organic principles. Step 3. Application of Khuba product. At least 2 to 3 weeks before sowing, apply Khuba soil conditioner and soil booster to the seedbed. The organic mineral-based fertilizer will enrich the soil with essential macro and micronutrients, humic acid, and organic carbon. It will also enhance the soil's water retention capacity, providing a favorable environment for seed germination and early growth. Step 4. Sowing and planting. After the seedbed is well prepared, sow the pre-treated seeds uniformly. To promote better seeding and growth in organic paddy farming, consider using a slightly higher dosage of Khuba soil conditioner during this stage. This will ensure that the seeds receive an adequate supply of nutrients during the critical early growth period. Step 5. Watering and maintenance. Maintain appropriate moisture levels in the seedbed by regular watering. Organic paddy requires sufficient water during the initial stages of growth. Ensure that the water is free from chemical contaminants or pollutants. Benefits of using Khuba products in seeding and nursery. Enhanced germination. The application of Khuba soil conditioner in the seedbed improves soil fertility, leading to better seed germination and early seedling growth. Nutrient-rich environment. Khuba soil conditioner and Khuba soil booster provide essential macro and micronutrients, humic acid, and organic matter to the seedlings, supporting healthy root development and vigorous growth. Higher yield potential. The well-established and healthy seedlings from the nursery, boosted by Khuba products, have a higher yield potential and are better equipped to resist pests and diseases, reducing the need for chemical interventions. Environmental sustainability. As organic products, Khuba soil conditioner, soil booster, and growth promoter promote sustainable and eco-friendly agricultural practices, preserving soil health and biodiversity. Improved soil structure. The organic matter and humic acid in Khuba products improve soil structure, water retention, and nutrient availability, leading to a fertile and productive soil ecosystem. Non-toxic and safe. Khuba products are free from harmful chemical residues, making them safe for the environment, farm workers, and consumers. By adopting organic nursery practices and incorporating Khuba products, farmers can establish a strong foundation for their paddy crop, leading to healthier, more productive, and higher quality rice yields in their organic paddy farming journey. Transplantation and spacing of paddy in organic way. Utilizing Khuba products for enhanced nutrient availability and growth. Transplantation is a critical stage in organic paddy farming, where seedlings from the nursery are transferred to the main field for further growth and development. Proper transplantation techniques, along with the use of Khuba products, play a vital role in ensuring healthy and vigorous paddy plants, maximizing nutrient availability, and promoting overall crop growth. Step 1. Field preparation. Before transplantation, prepare the main field by plowing and leveling the soil. Remove any weeds or debris and ensure that the soil is well drained to avoid waterlogging issues. Step 2. Application of Khuba products. At least 2 to 3 weeks before transplantation, apply Khuba soil conditioner and soil booster to the prepared field. The organic mineral-based fertilizer will enrich the soil with essential macro and micronutrients, humic acid, and organic carbon. It creates a nutrient-rich environment, supporting better nutrient availability for the transplanted paddy seedlings. Step 3. Preparing the seedlings. Select healthy and robust seedlings from the nursery for transplantation. The seedlings should have developed strong root systems and be around 15 to 20 cm, that is 5 to 8 inches in height. Step 4. Transplanting the seedlings. Transplant the selected seedlings into the main field. Maintain proper spacing between seedlings to allow them to grow and receive adequate sunlight. Avoid overcrowding, as it can lead to competition for resources. The minimum spacing needed in rice plantation depends on various factors, including the variety of rice being cultivated, the type of soil, the climate, and the farming practices used. Generally, rice is grown in rows with a specific spacing between the plants. In traditional flooded rice paddies, where water is used to control weeds and provide nutrients, the spacing is typically wider. The distance between rows can range from 20 to 30 cm, 8 to 12 inches, and the spacing between individual plants within the rows can be around 15 to 25 cm, 6 to 10 inches. In upland rice cultivation, where the fields are not flooded, the spacing may be closer to maximize land utilization and increase yields. The distance between rows can be around 15 to 20 cm, 6 to 8 inches, and the spacing between individual plants within the rows can range from 10 to 15 cm, 4 to 6 inches. It's important to note that the specific spacing may vary based on local agricultural practices and recommendations from agricultural experts. Additionally, modern rice cultivation techniques, such as the use of hybrid or improved varieties, may have specific spacing requirements. Farmers should consider factors like soil fertility, water availability, and the overall management practices when deciding on the appropriate spacing for rice cultivation. Proper spacing ensures that rice plants have sufficient access to light, water, and nutrients, which are essential for their healthy growth and maximum yield. Step 5. Additional boost with Khuba Soil Booster and Khuba Growth Promoter. During the transplantation stage and in the early stages of growth, apply Khuba Soil Booster and Khuba Growth Promoter to further support the growth and development of the transplanted paddy seedlings. Khuba Soil Booster, the natural blend of neem seed, organic carbon, and other bioagents in Khuba Soil Booster enhances root growth, improves nutrient uptake, and boosts the overall health of the transplanted seedlings. The neem seed component acts as a natural pest deterrent, reducing the chances of pest infestations in the young paddy plants. The organic carbon supports the development of healthy root systems, enabling efficient nutrient absorption and water uptake. Khuba Growth Promoter. This water-soluble product contains seaweed extract, humic acid, and amino acids that promote healthy plant growth, increase flowering, and enhance the overall quality of the paddy crop. The seaweed extract provides essential trace elements, growth hormones, and natural biostimulants that enhance the growth and development of the transplanted seedlings. Humic acid aids in nutrient absorption and improves soil structure, leading to better water retention and nutrient availability. The amino acids present in the growth promoter play a crucial role in protein synthesis and overall plant health. Benefits of using Khuba products in paddy transplantation. Enhanced nutrient availability. The application of Khuba soil conditioner in advance enriches the soil with essential nutrients and humic acid. This results in improved nutrient availability for the transplanted paddy seedlings, ensuring their optimal growth and development. Vigorous growth. Khuba Soil Booster and Khuba Growth Promoter support root development, increase nutrient absorption, and stimulate overall plant growth. This leads to robust and vigorous paddy plants, enabling them to withstand environmental stresses. Higher yield potential. With Khuba product support, the transplanted paddy seedlings have increased resilience, higher yield potential, and better resistance to pests and diseases. The improved nutrient uptake and overall plant health contribute to better grain formation and increased yield. Sustainable farming. Khuba products are organic and eco-friendly, contributing to sustainable farming practices. By avoiding harmful chemicals, farmers preserve soil health and biodiversity, ensuring the long-term productivity of their fields. Improved soil structure. The inclusion of Khuba soil conditioner enhances soil structure, water retention, and nutrient availability, creating a fertile and productive soil ecosystem. The improved soil structure facilitates better root growth and nutrient absorption by the paddy plants. Safe for farmers and consumers. Khuba products are non-toxic and free from harmful chemical residues, ensuring the safety of farmers, consumers, and the environment. Organic farming practices promote healthy food production without the risks associated with chemical pesticides and fertilizers. By following organic transplantation practices and incorporating Khuba products, farmers can establish a strong foundation for their paddy crop, leading to healthier, more productive, and high-quality rice yields in their organic paddy farming journey. These products play a pivotal role in promoting better nutrient availability, supporting robust growth, and ensuring the overall success of organic paddy cultivation. Enhancing paddy production with Khuba products, boosting nutrient availability, plant growth, and aroma content. Khuba products, including Khuba soil conditioner, soil booster, growth promoter, and natural horticulture oil, offer several benefits that can address malnutrition, enhance paddy production, and potentially increase aroma content in paddy plants. Let's explore how each of these products contributes to nutrient availability, soil health, plant growth promotion, stress tolerance, disease prevention, and overall paddy yield, ultimately leading to improved texture, aroma, and size in paddy plants. Khuba soil conditioner. Nutrient availability. Khuba soil conditioner is rich in essential macro and micronutrients, humic acid, and organic carbon. When applied to the soil, it enriches the nutrient content and improves nutrient availability for paddy plants. This ensures that the plants have access to the necessary elements for their growth and development. Soil health. The inclusion of Khuba soil conditioner enhances soil health by improving soil structure, water retention capacity, and microbial activity. It creates a favorable environment for beneficial soil microorganisms, which aid in nutrient cycling and contribute to overall soil fertility. Plant growth promotion. The balanced nutrient composition and humic acid in Khuba soil conditioner promote healthy root development, nutrient absorption, and overall plant growth. It supports robust vegetative growth, leading to increased biomass and yield potential in paddy plants. Khuba Soil Booster. Nutrient availability. Khuba Soil Booster contains a blend of neem seed, organic carbon, and bioagents. It enhances nutrient availability by improving root growth, increasing nutrient absorption, and facilitating efficient nutrient utilization by paddy plants. The neem seed component also acts as a natural deterrent against pests, indirectly protecting the plants from nutrient loss due to pest damage. Stress tolerance. The organic carbon and bioagents in Khuba Soil Booster help improve the stress tolerance of paddy plants. They enhance the plant's ability to cope with environmental stresses, such as drought, salinity, and temperature fluctuations, leading to healthier and more resilient plants. Disease prevention. The bioagents present in Khuba Soil Booster contribute to disease prevention by promoting the growth of beneficial microbes and suppressing harmful pathogens in the soil. This reduces the risk of diseases and enhances the overall health of paddy plants. Paddy yield. By improving nutrient availability, stress tolerance, and disease prevention, Khuba Soil Booster indirectly contributes to increased paddy yield. The healthier and more vigorous plants have a higher yield potential and are better equipped to withstand environmental challenges. Khuba Growth Promoter. Nutrient availability. Khuba Growth Promoter, with its blend of seaweed extract, humic acid, and amino acids, enhances nutrient availability for paddy plants. The seaweed extract provides essential trace elements, growth hormones, and natural biostimulants, ensuring optimal nutrient uptake by the plants. Plant growth promotion. The amino acids, humic acid, and seaweed extract in Khuba Growth Promoter stimulate plant growth, improve root development, and enhance overall plant vigor. This promotes healthy vegetative growth, early flowering, and increased biomass accumulation in paddy plants. Stress tolerance. The growth-promoting substances in Khuba Growth Promoter help paddy plants cope with various environmental stresses, such as drought, salinity, and nutrient deficiencies. They improve the plant's ability to adapt to adverse conditions and minimize yield losses. Aroma content. While the direct impact of Khuba products on aroma content in paddy plants may vary based on the specific variety and genetic factors, the overall improvement in plant health, vigor, and stress tolerance indirectly contributes to better aroma development. Healthy and stress-free plants have the potential to produce grains with improved aromatic qualities. Natural horticulture oil. Disease prevention. The natural horticulture oil in Khuba products acts as an insecticide and has antimicrobial properties. It helps prevent insect infestations and control fungal and bacterial diseases in paddy plants. By protecting the plants from pests and diseases, it ensures that the plants can allocate more resources towards growth and development. Stress tolerance. The insecticidal and antimicrobial properties of natural horticulture oil aid in reducing stress on paddy plants caused by pest damage and disease outbreaks. By alleviating stress, the oil promotes better growth, stress tolerance, and overall plant health. Texture and size. While the influence of natural horticulture oil on texture and size may be indirect, its role in preventing pests and diseases can contribute to better grain quality. Healthy plants are more likely to develop grains with desirable texture, size, and visual appeal. In summary, the utilization of Khuba products in organic paddy farming addresses nutrient availability, soil health, plant growth promotion, stress tolerance, disease prevention, and overall paddy yield. By enhancing these aspects, the products indirectly contribute to enhancing texture, aroma, and size content in paddy plants. The combination of improved nutrient availability, optimized growth conditions, stress tolerance, and disease prevention leads to healthier and more productive paddy crops, resulting in improved grain quality. Organic pest control for paddy farming. Khuba products, companion plants, and harmonious ecosystems with fish integration for sustainable agriculture. Insects and pests that are known to attack and damage paddy plants include Rhizispa armigira. This pest feeds on the leaves of paddy plants, causing white or transparent patches on the leaves. Rice stem borer Sapophaga incerculars. The larvae of this pest bore into the stem of paddy plants, leading to wilting, stunted growth, and reduced grain quality. Rice leaf folder Canaphilocrosis medinalis. The larvae of this pest fold and feed on the leaves of paddy plants, causing leaf drying, yellowing, and reduced photosynthesis. Rice whirl maggot Hydrelia spp. The larvae of this pest tunnel into the leaf whorls of paddy plants, resulting in dead hearts and reduced tiller development. Khuba's natural horticulture oil and soil booster contribute to insect control in terms of their organic composition and targeted pest control capabilities. Natural horticulture oil. Khuba's natural horticulture oil contains natural insecticidal and antimicrobial properties, acting as a deterrent against various pests. It disrupts the feeding and breeding patterns of insects, reducing their populations and preventing infestations. Soil booster. Khuba soil booster, with its blend of neem seed and organic carbon, enhances root growth, improves nutrient uptake, and boosts overall plant health. Healthy plants are better equipped to resist and recover from insect attacks, indirectly contributing to pest control. Khuba soil conditioner and growth promoter contribute to plant health and resistance to insects. Soil conditioner. Khuba soil conditioner enriches the soil with essential macro and micronutrients, humic acid, and organic carbon. This supports better nutrient absorption and root development, making plants more resilient to pests and diseases. Growth promoter. Khuba growth promoter contains seaweed extract, humic acid, and amino acids that promote healthy plant growth and increase plant tolerance to stress, including insect attacks. It helps plants withstand and recover from insect infestations. Suitable companion plants with insect-repelling properties that can be strategically planted alongside paddy plants include marigold. Marigold plants release a strong fragrance that repels insects like nematodes, aphids, and whiteflies. Planting marigold around paddy fields can help deter these pests. Lemongrass. Lemongrass emits a lemony scent that repels pests like mosquitoes, rice leaf folders, and grasshoppers. Placing lemongrass plants around paddy fields can act as a natural deterrent against these pests. Castor bean. Castor bean plants contain ricinoleic acid, which repels insects like whiteflies and aphids. Planting castor bean plants as a border around paddy fields can help keep these pests away. Holy basil Tulsi. Holy basil has strong aromatic properties that repel pests like mosquitoes, aphids, and leafhoppers. Planting holy basil near paddy fields can serve as a natural deterrent against these pests. Benefits of introducing fish in paddy fields. Natural pest control. Certain fish species, such as the gambusia fish, feed on mosquito larvae and other insect pests that breed in the stagnant water of paddy fields. This helps control mosquito populations and reduces the incidence of mosquito-borne diseases. Organic fertilizer. Fish excreta and decomposed fish waste act as natural fertilizers, enriching the paddy fields with essential nutrients. This improves soil fertility and supports the growth and development of paddy plants. The benefits and advantages of utilizing Khuba products and companion plants for insect control include organic and environmentally friendly. Khuba products and companion plants are organic and do not contain harmful chemicals or synthetic pesticides. They provide effective pest control solutions while minimizing the negative impact on the environment, beneficial insects, and non-target organisms. Targeted pest control. Khuba products and companion plants offer targeted pest control by deterring, disrupting, or reducing pest populations. This helps maintain a balanced ecosystem and prevents the overuse of chemical pesticides. Prevention of infestations. By promoting plant health, vigor, and stress tolerance, Khuba products and companion plants help prevent pest infestations. Healthy plants are less susceptible to pests and can withstand insect attacks more effectively. Enhanced plant health. The use of Khuba products and companion plants supports overall plant health and vitality. They provide essential nutrients, promote root development, improve nutrient uptake, and enhance plant resistance to diseases and pests. Reduced chemical load. By utilizing organic and natural pest control methods, the reliance on chemical pesticides is minimized. This reduces the chemical load on the environment, protects beneficial insects, and promotes sustainable and eco-friendly farming practices. By incorporating Khuba products and companion plants into paddy farming practices, farmers can achieve effective and environmentally friendly insect control, enhance plant health and vigor, reduce chemical inputs, and ultimately promote sustainable and healthy paddy production. Promoting disease resistance in paddy farming. Khuba products and disease-preventing companion plants for sustainable agriculture. Diseases affecting paddy plants include rice blast Pyricularia oryzae, bacterial leaf blight Xanthomonas oryzae pv, oryzae, sheath blight Rhizoctonia solani, brown spot Bipolaris oryzae, tungro disease rice tungro bacilliform virus and rice tungro spherical virus, rice sheath rot Cerocladium oryzae, false smut Ustalaginoidea virans, bacterial panicle blight Burkholderia glummi, bacterial streak Xanthomonas oryzae pv, oryzicola, rice grassy stunt RDES Nakamorella panacarboris. Primary and secondary constituents of Khuba products contributing to disease resistance in paddy plants. Khuba soil conditioner, the essential macro and micronutrients, humic acid, and organic carbon in Khuba soil conditioner enhance plant health and strengthen the immune system. The balanced mineral composition ensures optimal nutrition for the plants, enabling them to fight off infections and recover from stress, thereby enhancing disease resistance. Khuba soil booster, the natural blend of neem seed and organic carbon in Khuba soil booster exhibits antimicrobial properties, inhibiting the growth of disease-causing pathogens in the soil. This reduces the risk of soil-borne diseases and contributes to disease prevention. Khuba growth promoter. Khuba growth promoter contains seaweed extract, humic acid, and amino acids that boost the plant's immunity and overall health. By enhancing the plant's defense mechanisms, it helps prevent diseases and aids in recovery from infections. Khuba natural horticulture oil. The constituents of Khuba natural horticulture oil, such as azadiractin, citral, citronellol, linalool, geranyl acetate, linalool acetate, menthol, menthon, geranyl, alpha-pinene, limonene, beta-ocimene, terpenoline, alpha-terpineol, and methylheptanone, possess antimicrobial and insecticidal properties. By controlling insect pests, the oil indirectly prevents the transmission of disease-causing pathogens carried by insects. Companion plants for disease prevention in paddy farming. Garlic. Garlic has natural antifungal and antibacterial properties, making it effective against diseases like rice blast and sheath blight. Chrysanthemum. Chrysanthemum plants contain pyrethrin, a natural insecticide that controls pests and reduces the risk of disease transmission. Marigold. Marigold plants have antimicrobial properties, reducing soil-borne pathogens and preventing diseases such as sheath rot. Holy basil tulsi. Holy basil possesses antimicrobial and antiviral properties, helping prevent diseases and limiting pathogen spread. Coriander. Coriander has natural fungicidal properties, aiding in the control of fungal diseases in paddy fields. Sesbania. Sesbania rostrata. Sesbania is a nitrogen-fixing cover crop that enriches the soil, indirectly contributing to disease prevention by promoting healthier rice growth. Sunflower Helanthus annuus. Sunflowers attract beneficial insects like ladybugs and bees, contributing to pest control and indirectly aiding in disease prevention. Lucina. Lucina leucocephala. Lucina, a nitrogen-fixing tree, can be planted around paddy fields, improving nutrient availability and promoting better plant health. Water spinach Ipomea aquatica. Water spinach acts as a cover crop, suppressing weed growth and improving soil health, indirectly supporting disease prevention. Neem Azadirachta indica. Neem trees act as natural insect repellents, helping reduce pest pressure and the transmission of diseases carried by insects. The combination of Khuba products and disease-preventing companion plants offers organic and environmentally friendly solutions for disease control. They strengthen the plant's immune system, inhibit the growth of pathogens, promote overall plant health, and reduce the need for chemical interventions. By implementing these practices, farmers can achieve optimal plant growth, higher yields, and reduced chemical load, contributing to sustainable and productive paddy cultivation. Climatic variations. Khuba products, including the soil conditioner, soil booster, growth promoter, and natural horticulture oil, play a significant role in enhancing climatic tolerance in paddy plants by improving soil structure, regulating moisture levels, promoting a hygroscopic nature, and strengthening defense mechanisms. These factors collectively enable paddy plants to withstand temperature fluctuations, moisture stress, and other environmental factors. Improving soil structure. Khuba soil conditioner enriches the soil with essential macro and micronutrients, humic acid, and organic carbon. This leads to improved soil structure, allowing better aeration and water infiltration. A well-structured soil enhances root growth and nutrient uptake, which are crucial for the plant's resilience to climatic stresses. Regulating moisture levels. Khuba products contribute to better moisture regulation in the soil. The soil conditioner, with its mineral composition, helps retain moisture, preventing water loss due to evaporation. The soil booster, growth promoter, and natural horticulture oil also aid in maintaining optimal moisture levels by supporting root growth and increasing water retention capacity. Promoting a hygroscopic nature. The hygroscopic nature of Khuba products, particularly the soil conditioner, helps the soil absorb and retain moisture from the air. This ensures a steady supply of water to the plants, especially during dry or hot periods, reducing the risk of moisture stress. Strengthening defense mechanisms. Khuba growth promoter and natural horticulture oil contain various beneficial constituents like amino acids, humic acid, and plant extracts that enhance the plant's defense mechanisms. These products stimulate the production of stress-related proteins and enzymes in the plant, making it more resistant to adverse climatic conditions. Efficient water use and hydration. The use of Khuba products optimizes water uptake and utilization by the paddy plants. The enhanced root development and nutrient absorption enable the plants to efficiently use available water resources, making them more drought tolerant. Creating a cool surrounding environment. The hygroscopic nature of Khuba products helps in maintaining a cool surrounding environment by releasing moisture gradually to the plants as needed. This cooling effect minimizes the impact of high temperatures on plant growth and reduces stress-induced damage. By enhancing soil structure, regulating moisture levels, promoting a hygroscopic nature, and strengthening defense mechanisms, Khuba products contribute to improving the climatic tolerance of paddy plants. These products provide essential support to the plants during challenging weather conditions, allowing them to maintain optimal hydration, resist moisture stress, and efficiently utilize available water resources. Ultimately, this contributes to the overall health and vigor of paddy plants, enhancing their ability to thrive in varying climatic conditions and ensuring better crop productivity. Crop rotation. Crop rotation is an essential agricultural practice that involves growing different crops in the same field over multiple seasons in a systematic sequence. This practice offers numerous benefits for sustainable farming, particularly in paddy cultivation. Here's why crop rotation, especially with legumes or non-rice crops, is crucial. Pest and disease management. Planting the same crop continuously in a field can lead to a buildup of pests and diseases specific to that crop. By rotating rice with legumes or non-rice crops, the life cycles of pests and diseases are disrupted. Different crops attract different pests, and when pests encounter an unfavorable host plant, their populations decrease, reducing the risk of infestations. Soil fertility improvement. Different crops have varying nutrient requirements and root structures. By rotating rice with legumes, which are known as nitrogen-fixing plants, or other non-rice crops, the soil's fertility can be enhanced. Legumes have the ability to fix atmospheric nitrogen into the soil, enriching it with this vital nutrient. The subsequent rice crop benefits from the increased nitrogen availability, leading to better growth and higher yields. Weed control. Crop rotation can also help manage weeds. Different crops may shade the soil differently, affecting weed growth. Rotating with non-rice crops can disrupt weed cycles, reducing the prevalence of specific weed species and minimizing the need for herbicides. Nutrient balance. Different crops have different nutrient uptake patterns. Continuous rice cultivation can deplete specific nutrients in the soil, leading to imbalances. By rotating with crops that have complementary nutrient requirements, the overall nutrient balance in the soil can be maintained or improved. Disease resistance. Some pathogens can build up in the soil when the same crop is grown repeatedly. By introducing non-rice crops or resistant varieties during rotation, the occurrence of specific diseases can be reduced, promoting healthier and more resilient crops. Sustainable soil management. Crop rotation is an integral part of sustainable agriculture. It helps conserve soil health, prevents nutrient depletion, and reduces the need for chemical inputs, fostering a more eco-friendly farming system. Incorporating crop rotation, especially with legumes or other non-rice crops, in paddy farming systems can break pest and disease cycles, enhance soil fertility, and promote a healthier and more productive agricultural ecosystem. It is an invaluable practice for ensuring the long-term viability and sustainability of paddy cultivation while reducing environmental impact and maintaining optimal crop health and productivity. Nitrogen fixing. Promoting biodiversity and enriching soil. Nitrogen-fixing companion plants play a crucial role in promoting biodiversity and enriching soil fertility in paddy plantations. These plants have the unique ability to form symbiotic relationships with nitrogen-fixing bacteria, known as rhizobia, which convert atmospheric nitrogen into a form that is readily available to plants. This process is called nitrogen fixation and helps in increasing the nitrogen content of the soil, benefiting not only the nitrogen-fixing plants but also the surrounding crops, including paddy plants. Additionally, companion plants contribute to carbon fixation through their photosynthetic activity, which helps improve soil health and organic matter content. Here is an exhaustive list of nitrogen-fixing companion plants that can be beneficial in paddy plantations. Leguminous cover crops: Sesbania rostrata, Cowpea Venia unguiculata, Mungbean Venia radiata, Soybean Glycine max, Velvet Bean Mucuna pruriens, Red Clover Trifolium protens, Green manure crops: Sun Hemp Crotalaria juncea, White Sweet Clover Melalotus albus, Alfalfa Medicago sativa, Hairy Vetch Vicia villosa, Winter Pea Pisum sativum, Fenugreek Trigonellophonum graecum. Nitrogen-fixing trees and shrubs: Acacia spp. Lucina leucocephala, Sesbania spp. Albizia spp. Mimosa spp. Benefits of incorporating nitrogen-fixing companion plants in paddy plantations: reduce dependency on synthetic fertilizers. Nitrogen-fixing plants improve soil nitrogen levels naturally, reducing the need for synthetic nitrogen fertilizers. This helps lower production costs and minimizes environmental pollution from fertilizer runoff. Improved biodiversity. Incorporating companion plants increases plant diversity in paddy fields, creating a healthier and more resilient ecosystem. Biodiversity promotes beneficial insects and microorganisms that contribute to natural pest control and improved soil health. Reduced soil erosion and weed pressure. The presence of cover crops and companion plants helps protect the soil from erosion, especially during heavy rainfall or strong winds. Their dense growth also suppresses weed development, reducing competition with paddy plants for nutrients and water. Enhanced soil health. Nitrogen-fixing plants enrich the soil with organic matter, improving its structure and water-holding capacity. This leads to healthier soil, enhanced nutrient availability, and better overall plant growth. Promotion of sustainable agriculture. by promoting natural processes like nitrogen fixation and carbon sequestration. Incorporating companion plants aligns with sustainable agricultural practices, fostering long-term soil health and crop productivity. List of beneficial border plants in paddy farming. Marigold Tagetes spp. Marigolds act as natural insect repellents, deterring pests from entering the paddy fields. Chrysanthemum spp. Chrysanthemums also have insect-repelling properties and can help in controlling pests. Lemongrass Kimbo Pogon spp. Lemongrass has antimicrobial properties and can help reduce the spread of diseases. Mint Mentha spp. Mint plants repel certain insects and can also improve soil health. Coriander Coriandrum sativum. Coriander has natural fungicidal properties, helping control fungal diseases. Incorporating nitrogen-fixing companion plants and beneficial border plants in paddy farming provides numerous benefits, including improved soil fertility, pest control, reduced dependence on synthetic inputs, and overall sustainable agricultural practices. By enhancing biodiversity and promoting healthier ecosystems, farmers can achieve higher crop yields, protect the environment, and ensure long-term productivity in their paddy plantations. List of invasive plants in paddy farming and its prevention. Water hyacinth Icornia crassipes, alligator weed Alternanthera phylloxeroides, water lettuce Pistia stratiotes, water fern Azala spp, water primrose Ludwigia spp, nutgrass Cyperus rotundus, water mimosa Neptunia oleracea, water pennywort hydrocortal spp, water chestnut Traponatans, purple loosestrife Lythrum salicaria. Prevention methods for paddy farming. Regular inspection. Regularly inspect the paddy fields for any signs of invasive plant species. Early detection and prompt action can prevent their spread and establishment. Proper field sanitation. Ensure that all equipment, machinery, and vehicles used in the paddy fields are clean and free from any plant material that may carry invasive seeds or fragments. Proper waste disposal. Dispose of plant residues and harvested materials properly to avoid the introduction of invasive plant seeds into new areas. Avoiding contaminated water sources. Prevent the use of water from contaminated sources that may carry invasive plant propagules. Implementing hygienic practices. Practice good hygiene to prevent the accidental transfer of invasive plant seeds or fragments from one field to another. Early control measures. If invasive plants are detected, take immediate control measures such as manual removal, cutting, or targeted herbicide application to prevent their rapid spread. Crop rotation. Implement crop rotation practices to disrupt the life cycle of invasive plants and reduce their establishment in the paddy fields. Mulching. Use organic mulch to suppress weed growth and prevent invasive plants from establishing in the fields. Biological control. Consider introducing natural predators or herbivores that feed on invasive plants, but be cautious to ensure that they do not harm beneficial native plants or the paddy crop. Proper water management. Maintain proper water levels and drainage to discourage the growth and spread of invasive aquatic plants. Community awareness and education. Educate farmers and the local community about the risks of invasive plants and the importance of preventing their introduction and spread. By implementing these prevention methods and promptly addressing the presence of invasive plants, paddy farmers can protect their fields from the negative impacts of these aggressive plant species and maintain the health and productivity of their paddy crop. Khuba products, including Khuba Soil Conditioner, Khuba Soil Booster, Khuba Growth Promoter, and Natural Horticulture Oil, offer a comprehensive range of benefits for paddy farming, presenting a cost-effective and sustainable approach to organic agriculture. Throughout the stages of paddy growth, Khuba products play pivotal roles. Pre-planting stage, Khuba Soil Conditioner enriches the soil with essential nutrients, humic acid, and organic carbon, creating a nutrient-rich environment for robust seedling growth. Nursery stage, Khuba Soil Booster enhances root growth and nutrient uptake in seedlings, ensuring vigorous development before transplantation. Transplantation stage, The combination of Khuba soil booster and Khuba growth promoter further supports the transplanted seedlings, promoting healthy root systems, overall plant growth, and flowering. Vegetative growth stage, Khuba growth promoter continues to provide vital nutrients, stimulating robust leaf and stem growth during this phase. Reproductive stage, Khuba growth promoters amino acids and seaweed extract boost flowering and grain quality, optimizing the yield potential. Ripening and harvesting stage, throughout the growth stages, Khuba products contribute to healthy plant development and enhanced stress tolerance, leading to better grain ripening and yields. The benefits of utilizing Khuba products extend beyond individual stages. Environmental sustainability, Khuba's organic and eco-friendly nature aligns with sustainable farming practices, preserving soil health, biodiversity, and ecosystem balance. Reduced chemical load, by reducing reliance on synthetic fertilizers and pesticides, Khuba products minimize chemical residues, promoting a safer environment for farmers and consumers. Biodiversity enhancement, incorporating disease-preventing companion plants like garlic, chrysanthemum, and marigold enhances biodiversity and promotes natural pest control, supporting a balanced ecosystem. Water efficiency, Khuba products aid paddy plants in efficiently utilizing water, combined with improved soil structure, conserving water resources and fostering water efficiency. Overall, integrated pest management involves implementing practices that combine biological, mechanical, and cultural methods to manage pests effectively, reducing the heavy reliance on chemical pesticides. Preventive care methods, along with the use of Khuba products, offer a holistic solution for paddy farming. These products enhance nutrient availability, disease resistance, and stress tolerance, resulting in higher yields and improved plant health. The integration of Khuba products, disease-preventing companion plants, and sustainable farming practices promotes environmental harmony, cost-effectiveness, and long-term viability. Embracing Khuba products and organic farming practices paves the way for a more sustainable and prosperous future in paddy cultivation, safeguarding the Earth's resources for generations to come.